Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on matching which one belongs to chapter 12. Dear student, take your textbook. Open page number 81 and follow the class with your textbook and with your copy. So dear students, let's start our today's topic. Dear students, this one matching of chapter 12. Our left side is A. Global warming, B. Greenhouse, C. Atmosphere, D. Again greenhouse effect, then E. Greenhouse gases. Here right side number 1 is the trapping of the sun's heat by the gases in the atmosphere and further warming the earth. Second one is making the earth green. Third one, trap the sun's heat in the atmosphere, and fourth one is can lead to change in rainfall patterns, and number 5 is making the weather better. Number 6 is made up of glass. Number 7 is the layers of air that surrounds Earth's surface. Dear students, now we will match the following table and write the solution. First one, A. Global warming will match with this one, can lead to change in rainfall patterns. So we will write A plus 4. Global warming Dear student, now second one, B. Greenhouse will match with this one, is made up of glass. That means B will match with 6. Now we will match C. Atmosphere, that will be matched with, here we have match these two, then left part. Dear student, this one is the layers of air that surrounds Earth's surface. This one will be matched with atmosphere. This is the definition of atmosphere. So we will match C with 7. Now we will write the solution, C plus 7. Now, dear students, we will match D, greenhouse effects, with first part. Dear students, we have matched C with 7, the left is 4, and this one is the greenhouse effects definition. Greenhouse effects is the trapping of the sun's heat by the gases in the atmosphere and further warming the earth. Dear students, that gases is carbon dioxide and water vapor, and we have discussed it when we discussed the chapter. So D will match with 1. Now we will match the last one. We have matched this one. The last one is greenhouse gases. Dear students, the last one will be matched with this one. Greenhouse gases, that means carbon dioxide and water vapor trap the sun's heat in the atmosphere. Just now we have says that greenhouse effect is the trapping of sun's heat by the gases. That means we are saying about the gases in the atmosphere and further warming the earth, and greenhouse gases trap the sun's heat in the atmosphere. So we will match with E with 3. Dear students, I am saying the solution again. A will match with 4. Global warming can lead to changes in rainfall patterns. B will match with 6. Greenhouse is made up of glass. C will match with 7. Atmosphere is the layers of air that surrounds Earth's surface. D will match with 1. Greenhouse effect is the trapping of sun's heat by the gases in the atmosphere and further warming the earth. And E will match with 3. Greenhouse gases trap sun's heat in the atmosphere. Dear students, you have to write the solution like this way. Some students write only this part. You have to write the full sentence with whatever we have shown in the online classes. You have to follow this one, and I will give you the homework. This is homework number 24 for your annual term. You have to do that matching, that means this matching from chapter 12, and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the question answer whatever we have provided in the online classes. Obey your parents and stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.